Hi there! In this video I will show you how to create a video with Express Capture in Kaltura. So why would you like to use Express Capture? Imagine you would like to start the week or end the week with a short video message for your students. You could quickly just record this video message in Canvas and immediately upload it, for example, in an announcement or on a discussion board. So it's a very simple way of quickly recording a video and using it within seconds for your students. So how do we do this? You go to Account and click on My Media. And this is where you can find all the media that you create with Kaltura. Now you can see I already uploaded one video, but I want to add a new video with Express Capture. So here I am, and I'm now going to quickly record a brief video for my students, and I will upload this video in an announcement on Canvas. The only thing that I have to do is click on the record button and start talking. You see the countdown? Hey guys, welcome to the third week of this course. Last week we talked about the theory of planned behavior. We talked about how an intention can be formed that will actually make sure that our behavior is changed. So that's what we will focus on this week. Now, I recorded this video. Here you can see the playback. We're not going to look at that now. What I can decide now is, okay, I wasn't satisfied because I missed one thing that I wanted to say, or maybe, I misspoke a bit, so I want to record it again. However, that's not that important. It's just a brief message for students, and they will watch the pre-recorded lectures and micro lectures, etc. I can download a copy for my computer, but I actually immediately want to use this, so I click Use This. And now, what's important here is that I give this video a proper name. So I say start of week 3 video message, and I give a description. I introduce the topic of week 3. And I can add some tags. These tags are important to later on find videos because your My Media will be huge when you start recording all these videos. So here I will just say this is a theory video and a week message. I will set the video at private now. But of course, later I want to publish it because I want to make it visible to my students. So I now save this. Okay, it has been saved. So the upload is completed. Now, the nice thing that I can do now, if I go to my media, is I can edit this video. So that's why it's still private now, because I want to edit it first. I click on the little pencil icon. Okay, so I already have a title and a description, so that's good. But there's some options here. So I can click on option. Maybe I don't want any comments or no discussion. Then I check these boxes. If I want students to actually take small parts of this video, I allow this, then I can check this option, but that's not of interest right now. I can check who I want to collaborate with me on this video. I'm the media owner right now. I can change this, for example, to another coordinator of the course, or I can say my co-coordinator can actually also work on this video. That's not of interest right now either. I can upload a different thumbnail if I don't like the view of myself here. But again, if this is just a quick video that you want to launch, then you don't want to spend any time on this. You can also auto-generate it. So I'll just choose the one where I think I look the best. Okay, maybe not that one, but you can see what we're going here for. Let's have a look at downloads. So if I want students to actually download this video, then I can click on the available formats, and in this case it's just the source, but I'm not going to check that because I don't want them to download it. I don't want any captions, but you can add them if you want to. You'd have to upload a file for that. You can also add attachments. For example, if you want to add a short description or an overview of the theories that you're going to discuss in that week. And then the timeline is very interesting as well. However, for this start of the week message, I'm not going to discuss that. I will focus on that in a different video. Okay, so these are my settings. I can actually also edit the video if I want to. For example, I can cut some parts of the video that I'm not satisfied with. But again, this was supposed to be a quick video. That's why I'm using the Express Capture, and I'm not going to edit it right now. So if I go back to my media, the video is here. And I actually want to publish it now. And it's going to be published. And I can publish it in a specific gallery. So that's the gallery for a course that I want it to be published in. And I want it to be published in this course. So I'll click Save. And now it is published. I will show in another video how you can actually upload the videos from your My Media in, for example, an announcement, discussion board, or assignment.